What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first kitchen gadget I got here brand new watermelon slicer. Let's see how it works. Really quickly going to unpack it. It seems a lot durable, looks like it's similar to the other watermelon slicer that had a big dip over here. Well, this one is just straight. And you know what? The other ones are really flimsy. This one seems to be much stronger. But will it cut watermelon? Let's find out. Step 1. You'll still have to use a regular knife and chop it in half. This is a really nice seedless watermelon. They taste so good. Then what I'm going to do is just use and pretty much follow the description, self-explanatory. Line it up, 1, 2, 3, and then line it up the other way. And then look at that, that's actually a grabber. I did not know that until I look at the description. It says I gotta start into the middle. Ooh. Whoa, it already wants to come out. All the way to the bottom. And one more thing will do. This is much smaller watermelon, so not exactly the same. All the way to the bottom. It's starting to come out now. Alright, first one, just a practice. But looks like it's turning out pretty good. Boom, check this out, this is nice. Whoa, this is very juicy watermelon. Almost hard to pull it out. There you go, you got here really nice slices right here. But remember, this is pretty small watermelon. Look at that. With the bigger watermelon, you could slice it up even bigger pieces. This is cool. Look how juicy that watermelon is. I can't believe it. Okay, the rest I'm just gonna dump it out. Look, not bad. Of course I made a couple mistakes, but this is my first time using it and it did really good. It's time to do this again. This is a smaller size. Okay, I'm just gonna slice it up. One right here, all the way to the bottom. As you can see, I'm actually going a bit faster now because I'm already learned how to use it. And it's really durable, seems like, because I'm pushing it really hard. Also, you can pull out the whole piece, I think. It's too heavy. This watermelon is just too juicy. Maybe I should slice it up one more time like this and like this. And boom. You got pieces like that you can pull out with this side. This is so cool. I love it. Boom. And once again, if I dump it out, the whole watermelon falls out. This is the easiest way to scrape up the watermelon. This is so cool. You know what? This is the best watermelon slicer because it's really durable. I could feel it's not bending at all. And also there's a very cool grabber in the back. For the next gadget I got here, very good juice holder. Let's open it up and see what it's going to do. This is very unique. When I saw it, I was like, whoa, I have to put it to the test and show it to you guys because it could be very useful for some of you out there. They were advertising it for wine, but obviously you can put any kind of juice inside there and it will stay the longest best. Because look at that. There's a vacuum seal right here and then it's supposed to turn and this little rubber will squish together and gonna go bigger, and we'll lock it. You see it? How it changes. So this is how it's going to pretty much vacuum seal it. So let's put some juice in there, vacuum seal it, and hopefully it won't spill any. So that way it will keep the juice fresh the longest, because there is no oxygen in between of the bottle. Like this one, you see, half empty bottle. I'm probably still going to have the juice for another 2 weeks, but so much oxygen, it might go bad even in the refrigerator sooner. Step 1, put the juice that you want to savor. I'm just gonna do half. It's a little bit more than half. And look at this lid. You put it in, it has no problem, and this lid does not go any deeper. And then once you touch it to the bottom right here, to the bottom of the juice, you turn it. Turn it till it stops turning. Okay, it seals it. Look at that. It's not spilling any. This is awesome, and I put a little bubble in there on purpose just to see if it's actually moving around. Wow. And then easy to take it off, pour it wherever. You know what I just realized? They said here, neodymium magnet, neodymium magnet. So whenever you put in there, neodymium magnet holds it. So whenever you're going to lock it, you can actually take the locking mechanism out, or you can keep it in there. Line it up with the liquid and then turn it. Once you've done that, you can take this off, and then you have this bottle that holds all the liquid and nothing comes out. How cool is that? Also, if you don't care about that, you can even keep this on top of it. So next time you're ready to take it out, you turn it. Oh, gotta turn it a little bit more. Take it out. Awesome. For the next kitchen gadget, I got here a very weird tomato slicer. A bit flimsy, but I guess tomatoes are pretty soft, so it will be easy to slice it up. So you hold the tomato in here and chop it into many slices. Will it actually work? Let's find out. I have a couple of tomatoes in here. I'm gonna stick one. And wow, that's strange. It doesn't even close all the way. There you go. Alright, let's just go for it. Oh no, I missed it. I'll tell you what, super flimsy. Let me just take it out and finish it off like that without that holder. And look at that, that actually worked out pretty good. I don't know if the holder actually helps. It kind of cuts sideways, but let's try this again with a different tomato. You see, whenever I put it in there, it's not really straight now. It definitely cuts the tomato, but only half of it. Then I'll have to pull it out, I guess, and finish it off all the way. Maybe I'm using it wrong, but let me try it the other way. It's a really nice slicer though. You know what? Maybe I'm supposed to hold it this way actually. So you put this thing in first. So that way it cuts it all the way down. Then you put the tomato in. And then you slice the tomato. It is pretty much stuck in there. What a fail. So definitely not going to work this way. But you know, it's funny, it actually works like this by itself. Really good, or kinda good. This is what I'm saying, it's really flimsy. But again, this doesn't really line up, and then whenever you start cutting, oh man, it's stuck. It's easier to just take it out and finish it off. Man, so flimsy. Yes, it does cut really cool slices, really perfect slices, I would say, but just too flimsy and too complicated to use. Some of those tomatoes were too hard to cut, but some were like, look at that, perfect slices. I like it. It just definitely need to be improved. For the next two gadgets, I got here a spoon holder for the pot. I'll show you how it works. And also, this is very unique gadgets, spoon and strainer tones. How cool is that? So I'm gonna make some pelmeni, and you have to take them out and strain them out of the water. And at the same time, I will be putting this right on a pot lid. So that way I don't even have to put it on a table after I use it, and not going to mess anything up. I can just stick it into here, and all the drips are gonna go into this spoon holder. Whoops. I'm gonna cook some pelmeni, and I'm using this gadget, the boiler beeper. Lets me know when the water starting to boil. Then I'm gonna throw these things in there for 5 minutes. So I have a lid here. Let's see if it's going to stick to this lid. Oh, it sticks pretty good. Almost can lift up the whole lid. Stick it again. Looks nice. Okay, keep it there. Hopefully it doesn't come off when it gets hot. So if you cook with slow cooker, you probably know it takes 6 hours to 10 hours to cook your food. So it's kind of nice to have a spoon always by you. Just put it in there and it's not creating mess. I'll put it down here, and hopefully it does not come off. Maybe grab a lighter plastic spoon. Oh, it's still coming off. That's strange. That would have been a really good idea if it didn't pop so easily. Yeah, a little bit of a fail because it's still popping off on me a bit. Also in the instruction they say it could be a really good jar opener. Not bad, definitely works. Thumbs up for me for the jar opener, but not so much for the spoon holder. I just noticed on this side you got a strainer, on this side you got a spoon. So if you do want some liquid, you can grab it from this side. Let's demonstrate. You see, it holds a little bit of liquid. It's nice. Not exactly a spoon, but still cool. It's mostly made as a strainer though. Because whenever I want to grab some, look at that. It's going to get rid of all the liquid. So once you cook your pelmeni, it takes about 5 minutes in the boiling water. They start floating. That looks cooked. So you grab them like that and look at it. They strain. If you look at that, there's plenty of holes. You stain them all. Now you can put them into your bowl. Grab them again. Don't have to worry about anything. You can put them in without any liquid. This is nice. This is one of the best stones I ever owned. I'm definitely going to use them all the time. And look how easy it is to stain it. You don't have to go like that. Just hold it like that. It stains it all, and it's a big spoon, so it's easy to grab them. But at the same time, it's stones, so I don't have to use a spoon. It's kind of awkward. Keep holding it, you just grab them all like this. Holds a lot of them, look at that. Lost one because I was using it as a spoon. But there you go. Amazing gadget. Don't have to fish them out, I just can grab them, stain it, put it, eat. And it's done. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Of course, don't forget to thumbs up this video, helps me a lot. Thank you for your support throughout so many years. And of course, I'll see you next time.